everyone and welcome to Scodeen Global. Today we are going to learn about NLP-Natural language processing. NLP is a form of AI that gives machines the ability to not just read but also to understand and interpret the human language. We can use NLP to create systems like speech recognition, automated voice assistants that listen to customer queries and provide helpful resources. Second one is document summarization, chatbots that answer questions, news headlines, movie previews, and tweets about new content are some examples of document summarization. Third one is machine translation. A human text will get translated by a machine. The best example for this is Google Translate. The fourth one is spam detection. Unwanted and virus-infected data will be prevented from getting delivered into users' inbox. The best example for this is emails, that we get some emails directly into our spam box and not in the inbox. Another one is NER, named entity recognition. Let's assume we write the following lines. Scodeen Global is the best platform for Python data science and artificial intelligence in India, located at Pune, Maharashtra. So in these lines, Python data science and artificial intelligence will automatically categorized under software engineering by artificial intelligence. Next one is question answering. So we are all very familiar with the question, "Hey Google, where is Scodeen?" and you will get an answer to that. Next one is autocomplete. It is normal text input enhanced by a panel of suggested options. Here is an example of autocomplete. The last one is predictive typing. The predictions are made based on the context of other words in the message or the first words typed. Thank you so much for watching.